something good. I think we're onto something good. Don't let it get away. This could be everything. You know I gotta say, I think we're onto something.
Welcome back, fellow adventurers. Where are we at?
We're at TTO, Thousand Trails, Orlando.
Ooh, look at her. She's the one with all the acronym stuff. It's almost like she's a pilot or something. What's important about today?
Oh, we are on our way, on the road to Tampa, the Tampa 2024 Florida RV Association.
Super show. And what's important about this time?
This is our third one, actually. So we're pretty excited to get there. We're having our first meet and greet. We're excited to meet everybody. All those fellow adventurers that are out there, our name members. Shout out to our name members.
Our
and
Alliance family.
our
'cause
Alliance family,
We
yeah.
got something special to give away.
Yeah, Alliance family, and more importantly, our partners, Battleborn, TSD. So we're going to be floating around all week long. But if you really want to see us, come on out to the Red Barn next to Building A, Wednesday at 12:30. We're going to have our first ever meet and greet.
And we're going to be doing a talk about the insider tips and things you need to know when you go to Yellowstone from our perspective. Because we spend a little time there, something like that. But when we talk about TSD, we talk about gas stops, we talk about all the people who have invested in us. They've all become family, so we're looking forward to seeing Mike and Tara and Gina and Courtney and, of course, all of our family at Battleborn, because...
And backpack girl, Tanya with
yeah,
Ripper.
we need to see Miss Zickfuss because she's super cool. And hopefully she brought Caitlin a pretzel from...
Shipswana.
Probably didn't, but...
Probably didn't.
We'll have to figure that one out. But anyway, stand by for more. We got more videos
Find us.
coming.
We'll be floating around.
Come find us out on the road, and come find us at the Tampa RV Show. Again, as always, remember that.
Adventure lies at every turn.
So come join us.